guys, so mom and I just got back from Whole Foods and we also went over to Costco, so I am gonna go and show you guys what we picked up today. I just want to show you these little earrings that Sho got me for Christmas. Or was it my birthday? I think it was my birthday. These are really cute and they make me really happy when I wear them. Hey guys, so we're just right now sitting in my living room and the lighting is really nice, so I just wanted to show you guys what we picked up today. Yeah, so let's get started with the things we got from Costco. First things first, let's go with this. This is the almond butter from Costco, and I really like this one because it is only like, I think it's less than $10 for this huge jar. And in Holland, when we go and buy like a little jar of this almond butter, I think like even like less than half of this jar, it gets around like 8.99 euros. So it's tremendously expensive, and I just like to pick up like my almond butter in bulk every time I'm home. So we got 3 jars of this. I like to put it in a lot of my baking. I love putting it on toast in the mornings or even in my porridge. And it's just super versatile to have at home. So almond butter. Also got, this is something new. This is not something that I normally pick up when I'm home. My mom actually found this last time she went for the holidays, and it's just like a roasted nut mix, and it has like pistachios, cashews, almonds, and pecans, and it is so delicious. When I got home for this break, I ate like a good half of the can that we had at home. It's kind of sweet and savory at the same time. I highly recommend this if you guys can find this. Pick up some of these crackers that I really like. This is the Sweet Beet crackers by R.W. Garcia. And I normally eat they used to have the sweet potato and chia flavor, I believe. But I didn't see it this time. I really like having these crackers with, you know, avocado or just like by themselves. They're super good, and I feel like they're quite filling as well. I like to normally eat them as a snack or something, or just like when we're watching Netflix. It's just really nice to munch on. And then we have this. This is something new, and as you can see, I've already opened it. I was eating it on the trip back home. This is basically, you know, like the toasted coconut, and like it's kind of like a cluster of well, it says right here, it's like a cluster of pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, chia seeds, and coconut. And then it's covered with dark chocolate. Funny story was, we bought 1 bag of this. We just got this bag, and I opened it in the car because we had a cup of coffee in the car, so I was eating it with my coffee, and it was so good that you know, I gave some to mom, and mom was like, oh my gosh, this is delicious. And then she was like, let's go back and buy another 2 bags. So we had to park the car again. We were leaving Costco, and then we went back in to get another 2 bags of this, and I wouldn't eat the whole bag. It's more of like a healthy little treat, for sure. It's still a treat, so like a little snack or like a chocolate, or if you have a sweet tooth, I highly recommend you guys go try this out because it's super delicious. It's been really exciting. I got this book, and this is kind of it's like about the Swedish lifestyle, I believe. And I picked it up and I just started kind of reading it while we were shopping there, and it just has some like really beautiful photos, and it basically just describes the Swedish lifestyle and habits and what makes them so happy. What did we buy at Whole Foods? So let us open this up. Actually, we went there specifically for my probiotics because I like to take probiotics, and it's something that I started doing this summer, and I find that it really helps with my just like general gut health and like how your body absorbs the nutrients from the food that you eat. So I highly recommend it if you guys don't take probiotics already. But we got some of these like super nice oranges, and they just have this like little extra little bump at the front of them. And they had like samples of these in store, and they were so good. Both my mom and I were trying them, and we're like, oh my god, how is it so sweet? So we got a few of those, nothing really special. And then we got some bananas, because bananas are just must-haves, and I'm not going to say much more about bananas except for the fact that I absolutely love bananas. And then, let's see, okay, let's get to the boring stuff first. So this is the probiotic that I picked up. It's a different brand than the one that I bought this summer, but the lady who was helping me, she actually said that sometimes it's good to switch up the probiotics. Like when you finish a certain jar and stuff, it's good to switch it up because sometimes your body gets used to a certain type of bacteria. I'm going to give this a try, and I'll let you guys know how it is. If you're interested, let me know. And this one, actually, as a side note, you have to keep in the fridge. So I'm going to be putting this in the fridge as soon as I finish the video. And I heard online, usually, like, you know, if the probiotic is quite good is if you have to put it in the fridge, because they're like living bacteria, so it has to, you know, it can't be too warm or else I believe they die. Okay. And then, guys, look at this. They were having this wonderful sale on Larbars, so I got myself chocolate chip flavored. Whoop. But I love this flavor. I remember I always asked my best friend to pick up a few from America because they didn't used to have this flavor in Canada. Anyways, and then I also got the blueberry flavor, and I also got the chocolate brownie flavor. I love Larbars. If you can't tell, I feel like they're just the best. Like, seriously. There's so many, you know, power balls and bars and natural ones today, like in the grocery stores, but I still feel like the original Larbars were just like the best. And we always had these at the ballet school when I was still in school, so it like brings back a lot of fond memories. Okay, and then the last thing that we got was this little guy, the Wild Friends Organic Maple Sunflower Butter. I love the Wild Friends nut butters. They have a lot of like peanut butter ones. I wanted to get this peanut butter one that was like chocolate and coconut. It looks so good. Except I'm not the biggest fan of peanut butter. I feel like I'm gonna get a lot of shame for saying that, but I'm not the biggest fan of peanut butter. And I got this one this summer, and I absolutely loved it. So I went for a brand new jar so I can bring this to Amsterdam. It is a little bit pricey. I believe this was $13. But I feel like I'm not going to get through it really quickly because it is quite sweet, and like it's more of a treat. Again, I highly doubt that I'll be eating it as much as I do with my almond butter. Best thing is like a dollop of this inside a medjool date. Oh my goodness, like with some coffee, you're like set to go. That is what we picked up today from Whole Foods. Yeah, I absolutely loved our trip, and I love Whole Foods, even though it's so overpriced sometimes, but just like being there is like a lot of fun. So yeah, this is what we picked up today. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and there will be more videos coming your way, so please stay tuned and subscribe. Thanks guys!